Assalamualaikum. My name is Rabi Ali and I am a fine artist as well as architectural designer, and I have made this painting using oil paints as a medium. Okay. Secondly, you can see that this painting is depicting a woman who is playing a piano. Okay, so overall mood इसका क्या है कि it offers a feeling of music and performance all over it. So let me explain that what was the process and what were the techniques I used to create this mood and all the vibes of the music and performance in this painting. एब्स्ट्रैक्शनिज्म एंड रियलिज्म मिक्स कैसे है अब वो बताती हूँ. एक टाइप होती है एब्स्ट्रैक्शनिज्म की जो कि ओवरऑल हम कुछ भी उसमें प्रोमिनेंट नहीं होता, कोई फिगर डिपिक्ट नहीं हो रही होती, एंड इट्स ओवरऑल इन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मूवमेंट. सो ओवरऑल दिस पेंटिंग इज क्रिएटेड in oil painting, okay, and obviously this is an oil painting, and plus I have used abstractionism and realism in contrast, and cooler tones of warmer tones of yellows, reds and whites in contrast with black and blues.